Hi friends, Dr. Nancy Trimbley here, putting the power and knowledge of your health back in your hands. I've got some hand exercises, stretches, and strength exercises for you. These are super simple. If you've got an actual hand injury and you're seeing a physical therapist, they're going to do way more with you than what we're going to do here today. These exercises are based on the fact that most of the time our hands are in a clenched position, either with our phone or keyboarding or brushing our hair or doing dishes or holding a steering wheel. And it's to help to undo some of that clenched stress that you have in your hands and to also do some just really simple strengthening. So if you're somebody that plays a piano, does a lot of keyboarding, or pretty much does anything that a normal human does, these stretches will help you. First of all, what we want to do is we want to stretch the individual fingers. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull each finger back one at a time. And you want to hold that for about 3 seconds each finger. And notice my arm is straight. Got my arm out straight. I've got my wrist is flexed. So I'm already pulling my hand back towards my face, and then with my other hand, I individually pull these fingers back. Hold it for about 3 seconds. For your thumb, you want to turn your wrist so you can pull the thumb back towards you. Then, of course, you're going to do both hands. You can do it for a second rep after you do those first 3 seconds each. Once you do each individual finger, then take your 4 fingers and with your other hand, straighten your elbow and pull the fingers back. You have to remember to relax the underneath side of your wrist as you do this. And you want to just hold that for probably 3, 5, 6, 7 seconds and then relax and then do that again. You should feel a nice stretch under your wrist. And of course, do it on the other side. To strengthen, simply taking a rubber ball, this is one of my dog's toys, taking a rubber ball and squeezing it. Make sure to squeeze with your thumb also. Even if you concentrate after you squeeze with your whole hand, squeeze with just your thumb and your index finger, and that will help with the pinching muscles. So you want to do 10 reps, just squeezing, take a break, 10 reps, squeezing, take a break, and then do a third series of 10. These muscles in your hand are very small. There's a lot of them, but they're very small. So you don't have to squeeze a lot. Just squeezing a little bit will strengthen them. The last thing we need to do is we're going to use a hairband. Oops, I'll have to use this one. You take a hairband, anything elastic, it could also be a rubber band too, and you put it around the edge of your fingertips and you just open. And you do little pulses of opening your hand. Do 3, 4, 5, 10, take a break. Do a few, do 10, take a break. Now, if you're having trouble with this, if your hand feels really weak, you might need some adjustments on your wrists. So until you can get that done, put your fingers, your other hand around your wrist like that. Just squeeze it lightly and gently and then open your fingers, and that should be easier. So if you find that you need some pressure around your wrist to do that exercise, go see your chiropractor. You probably need some adjustments of your wrist. In order to help the nerves that come from your lower neck into your arms and hands, please go to my median nerve stretch video. And that will help all these nerves to get rid of some adhesions on these nerves that go from the neck into the arm and hand. So certainly if you wake up with tingling hands at night, that's the video you want to watch. Hope that helps. Bye for now.